Jenůfa is based on a real story of a Moravian village. It's really about what was the daily life, all the difficult things for people at that time.
Katie Mitchell, the sort of original director, has described it as a soap opera, and I think she's right. There is a certain kind of melodrama, but there's also a certain everyday quality about it that I think audiences will connect to very immediately, as if they were watching EastEnders.
It is life, all is on the stage. Love, death, forgiveness. It's fantastic.
Jenůfa is a pregnant late teenager who wants to get married to her erstwhile boyfriend.
This is not possible. Števa is not good guy.
It's also the story of her foster mother who orchestrates everything, who orchestrates her life with disastrous results.
Working with Elizabeth is just beautiful. I think she really gets the character of Jenůfa. Her singing is just beautiful.
It's an interesting thing to be playing a title role, but in many ways the central role is Kostelnička. Certainly she's the sort of linchpin of Jenůfa's fortunes, and it's really a story of how this young woman responds to what her mother does on her behalf.
Kostelnička is a very tough woman. She had a very difficult life, but she gave all the life, all the energy for Jenůfa.
We see Jenůfa kind of growing up. She goes from being a teenager, very dependent on her mother, to someone who understands she has to forge her own path.
With Tomas, it is my first experience, and I am very happy. His huge feeling and passion for Janáček's music give me inspiration and motivation. He have heart.
So I've loved Janáček since my childhood. I was born on the same street as the house of Janáček. Janáček changed my life, the attitude to music and the understanding of what music is. Jenůfa, it's quite a heavy stuff, but because it's so real and so true, I think it's a great piece for beginners, for first comers. And once I was in that situation, just to have to deal with this brutal story with a wonderful ethics and wonderful message.